to cut this deficit to 1. Chad completes all 3. Devons will inbound. They go to Simon, trapped in the corner. And the referees will have to review who gets possession. Pero initial call, it will go to Rainer Shine.
You know, it's funny. Si Cruz at saka si Simon, nung lumabas ng turuan sa isa't isa, ikaw may kasalanan, ikaw may kasalanan. Pero isa lang makakadesisyon yan, yung ating referee.
Here we go. Nice angle here. There's the trap. Oh! That's PJ passing it out of bounds.
Let's see that again. Ang importante dyan, kung hindi conclusive, kung saan tinuro ng referee.
Oh, and the referees initially said it was going to be Rainer Shine.
If you have a chance to take a look at that, at titingnan mo dyan, you look at the spin of the ball. If the spin of the ball changes, that means na tinamaan yung bola. You see right here on the inbound, and we'll get to slow it down right on the exit. They may have touched it. Like I said, it's quite